Okay. Are you enjoying in the home? You are getting bored because there is no school, no? Okay. Don't worry. I am with you always. Okay. I'll give daily one lesson like this. Okay. Today, shall we learn the lesson from Unit 2? That is the story I want. Okay. You're seeing on the screen. What is that? Monkey. Okay. What is that? Monkey. The monkey is thinking, I want to be big and I want to be strong. A wise woman hears him. What the monkey told, she hears. She take this magic wand she gives, and she says all your wishes can come true. Okay, a giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the tree. The monkey says, I want a long neck, says a little monkey. Pop! His neck grows long, just like giraffes. Little monkey is very happy. An elephant comes down to the river. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey. Bang! Just like that, he grows a trunk. He is very happy. Neck is like giraffe, trunk is like elephant. This is the fun, he says. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. I want stripes like those, he says. Who? Little monkey. Whiz! Little monkey has stripes all over his body just like the zebra. He is very happy. Little monkey is very happy. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He looks down. He sees himself in the water. Oh, monkey. Mother! He cries. Help! A monster! That's not a monster, says his mother. That's you, little monkey. That's you. You want a giraffe's neck? An elephant trunk? And stripes like a zebra. Don't you remember? Little monkey cries. Oh, I look powerful, he says. Oh, I want to be myself again. There is a pop, a bang, and whiz. Little monkey is himself again. He is very happy. He jumps for joy. He throws the magic wand into the river. He never wants to be anyone else again. Okay, children, what is the moral of this story? He wants to be like ourselves only. Okay, whatever we are, we love us. We wants to be ourselves only. Okay, enjoyed the story? Okay, bye.